Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to do something a little different here. A little bit of a review on this Daytona 3-ton jack here I picked up from Harbor Freight. I'm going to be replacing my little Pittsburgh guy over there. I'll show you in a second. Like I said, 3-ton, this low profile, long reach. Should be a lot better for that big girl there. This is what I was using. Okay, probably not the safest idea. 1.5 ton with a 4,000 pound car, not a good idea. So we're gonna unbox this thing, take a look at it, weigh it, because I can tell you right now that thing weighs a ton. Let's get to it. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, sweet Jesus. Handle, instructions. That thing weighs a ton, seriously. Obviously not the biggest guy, so it weighs a lot. So let's see, super clean, nice and black, nice and new looking. Seems to roll pretty good. Yeah, I don't know. Let's bring the scale over here and see what it weighs. On the glass scale, right? That's good. Okay, let's see what we're starting with here. 176.6. Oh yeah. 174. So this thing's like 98 pounds. Yeah. She's pretty solid. Gonna get the handle on here, try out the functions. Alright, we got the handle set up. That's really all the install there is. So my car is lowered. This says it has a 3.5 inch tall low height, I guess, and like a 24.5 inch high height. So let's see. Ooh, that's close. Like that's literally, I can barely get that under there. It's like if my car was any lower, wouldn't have slid under there. Would have made for a pretty terrible video, huh? Okay, so one thing I do like is that it has this foot pedal here. If I were working on the other side of the car, against the wall, jacking the car up with this, you know, you're gonna get barely any movement. So with the foot pedal, you can jack it up as well. So that's pretty cool. Be good for tight spaces. It's a little stiff. Obviously, you don't get as much leverage, right, as say this big handle, but it does help. It's better than nothing, I suppose. So release is the same. Yeah, I don't know. I guess that's about it. There's not really a whole lot you can talk about a brand new jack, right? So let's take a closer look at it. Right. Pretty simple. Yeah. All right, well, I guess that's about it, really. Guess I need to put it into use, get a good in-action review, you know, how did it perform, Did it break? How long did it last? But for now, should be pretty good. Like I said, this little Pittsburgh 1.5 ton has lasted me quite a long time. The problem with that 1.5 ton is it doesn't have the reach, and I'm lifting cars heavier than its capacity, which it's a Pittsburgh, you know. Probably shouldn't do that. So, not to say this is a whole lot better, but at least it's a 3 ton, right? Yeah, that's about it, guys. Maybe I'll come back and do another review on it. I don't know. Probably not, because this Pittsburgh one has been going for quite a while and hasn't crapped out on me. And that was like $90. But yeah, not bad. See you guys later. Thanks for watching.